Mae'n bleser mawr gyda I fod yma heddiw yn CanfodAU ar lawnsiad yr adeilad yma yn Prifysgol Wrecsam, wedi ariannu drwy Cynllun Twf Gogledd Cymru gan Uchelgais Gogledd Cymru. Mae'r cyfleusterau newydd yma yn mynd i yrru arloesi, gydweithio a ymchwil ar draws y rhanbarth gyda busnesau mewn weithgynhyrchu uwch am blynyddoedd I ddod.
Our students here at Wrecsam University, we want the best for them, and this is going to provide some really excellent facilities, so we hope that'll help them develop their skills and unlock opportunities for them when they graduate.
Building itself is an enabler to bring key academics together, and not just to help larger companies but SMEs specifically, to help them to understand how that innovation and expertise can help them grow and develop not just the business itself but also their workforce.
The reason why I'm personally excited about this building is I'm actually an engineer and actually enjoy myself working collaboratively with businesses to develop their businesses and bringing that talent on with the students themselves.
It's been a really magical day to actually see what difference having a vision and delivering on that vision can make for North Wales.